Hi everyone! Today I'll share with you a mud cakes recipe. This is a traditional Finnish cake that is really easy to make, and what's the best, you probably already have all the ingredients that we will need. So let's start. The first step in making the mud cake is to melt 200 grams of margarine. Then add 200 grams of preferably dark chocolate and stir it all together until the chocolate melts completely. Beat 4 eggs until fluffy with the addition of 2 deciliters of sugar and 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla sugar. Once the egg mixture becomes lighter and fluffy, we can proceed to the next step. Combine 2.5 deciliters of flour with 2 teaspoons of baking powder, that is about 8 grams. Add a pinch of salt too. Spoon by spoon, work in the prepared flour in the beaten eggs and continue mixing. At the end, add the melted chocolate and the margarine. Pour the mixture in a round baking tray, bottom covered with baking paper and greased rim. Turn on both heaters up and down and bake the cake at 200 to 205 Celsius for 20 minutes. As soon as the sponge shrinks back from the rim, it's time to check the cake. Once you pierce the cake, somewhere closer to the rim, the stick should be slightly moist and in the middle much more. Leave the cake at least 2 to 2.5 hours at room temperature to cool. Only after that remove the rim and sprinkle with powdered sugar. That's how it's served in Finland. A scoop of ice cream will do well on the side too. This one came out perfectly. This is the exact texture that you want to achieve. But I made another one with a slightly different texture, and I can't wait your comments to hear which one do you like better. Personally, I like better the other one. The second round I baked on 180 Celsius for 25 minutes, but with 3D air heating. I decided to take out the cake a bit earlier, while it was more liquid in the middle. The results are perfect. The sponge is like in layers. At the rim it's drier and lighter, while in the middle completely creamy like fine chocolate mud. While cooling and staying, the mud cake will more and more dry out, so don't hesitate. Serve it while it's still fresh and enjoy the simply good taste. And don't forget to subscribe to get the next delicious recipe.